you are consenting to being filmed and sound recordings being used as outlined above. The agenda. First, apologies for absence. None. Secondly, declarations of interest. Members are reminded of their personal responsibility to declare any personal and prejudicial interest in respect of matters contained in this agenda in accordance with the provisions of Local Government and Finance Act 1992 relating to the Council Tax, Local Government Act 2000, the Council's Constitution and the Members' Code of Conduct. Have we got any declarations of interest? Item 3, guidance on the law relating to the continuous review of the definitive map and statement of the public rights of way, which is an information report. Okay. Item 4, Trearis 38, to consider a report of the Deputy Chief Executive. Garrett, you taking this?
Take this. This is an application to record a public right-of-way in Treharris that runs from Fir Tree Drive, Quakers Yard to Roderick's Terrace, Quakers Yard under the Wildlife and Countryside Act. The application to record the public right-of-way came in on the 20th of July 2006. The legislation in relation to the recording of a public right-of-way is quite clear. We need to look at the 20 years use prior to that, so we would be looking at use from 1986 to 2006. They would be the relevant 20 years period. In relation to that 20 years period, it's quite clear that the aerial photographs demonstrate that the actual path that was used during a period of that time ran along a different alignment to that which was claimed. There's no evidence that this current path was used for the full 20-year period. So the officer's recommendation is that this application, this route, should not be recorded on the public rights of way map because it doesn't satisfy the statutory criteria of 20 years use. So the actual recommendation is actually on page 2, that it be rejected on the balance of probability because the normal period looked at has not been satisfied and there's been no use during the relevant 20-year period. So do members have any questions?
I was going to, a lot of people claimed the use. What's the procedure now? If we reject it, can they appeal to the Welsh Government, or is there no appeal?
The main claimant will be written to, and they will have the right to go to the Welsh Government to ask them to review it. But they will review the same evidence that we review, and the inspector would have to be satisfied that there was 20 years use during the relevant 20-year period. So yes, they can go to the inspectorate and technically appeal the decision of the council.
Any other further questions? Comments? No, so we'll put that to the vote then. Yeah. Is there any other business? No, Chair. No? No, well, thank you for attending. I'll bring this meeting to a close. Thank you, Chair. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks.